Hello guys, so today I'm going to explain machine learning using Python. You see the title, machine learning using Python. In this course you have to learn about machine learning using Python projects assignments for Skyfi labs. So here we start. So there is the machine learning using Python. You have to learn what is machine learning. So basically machine learning is that type of course in which you have to learn their machine learning definition, types, terminology and pipelines, then tools for machine learning. Then you have to learn about installation of Anaconda, getting started with Anaconda and Jupyter. Then after this module you have to solve and review the test or cues about the machine learning using Python. So after this there is a second module, that is machine learning model, Boston housing. After this Boston housing problem description. Then this you have to learn about data in machine learning types and processing. Then import Boston housing data and data visualization of Boston housing. Then after this you have to learn about correlation between targets and attributes, then normalization of Boston housing data. Then after all this you have to go for review, that is queues. After this if you solve this queue, then you have to go on the next module, that is machine learning mean square error. In this machine learning mean square error you have to learn about loss function in machine learning, then mean square error, programming logic, define MSC function, then calculate MSC for sample data, then Boston housing define MSC function, then MSC function loss function review, that is quiz. After you learn this module you have to solve the quiz, and that is very important for your machine learning. That using Python it is very good full, because machine learning is that course that we have need in our life to explain how we do work very effective and efficiently. So it is provided by the online course, that is Skyfi Labs, the machine learning using Python. So you have to, if you want to do that course, so directly go Skyfi Labs, that is conducted by AICTE, so it is good for you. Then after module third you go module 4, data splitting in machine learning. So it is so small because machine learning is splitting the data, how to split the data set. They teach you the how to splitting the data set. After this if you learn how to split in data set, there is a quiz or test, that is split the data set review. So they have only 5 questions, you have to solve this. Then you go another module, that is machine learning linear regression. So in this module you have to learn about what is linear regression, their gradient descent in machine learning, then programming logic. After this you have to learn about update function, then define gradient descent function, then descent function, model training visualization pro logic, model training visualization, then error visualization. So it is good for your course. Then after this review, that is quiz. So after this you have to go about for Boston housing data, prediction of prices, then prediction of house prices, prediction of this is for how you predict your prices according to, no, how you predict your housing data prices. Okay, so this is for you have to predict your prices, then train model with difficult attributes and predict, then review. So this is whole for Python, machine learning in Python. So it is good for your future. If you learn about these things, so it is good for your future. So thank you. If you want to learn about this, I will show in my title and description, so you just have to click or go directly and learn. Thank you.